Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2014 Chrysler 200. This two-door, four-passenger convertible is waiting for you to take home. Chrysler made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Chrysler prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a power convertible roof, and much more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.